Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here at the Netty Gnome Homestead. It is August 31st, 2024, and today we're making applesauce here on the homestead. We've already peeled and cored a bunch of our apples. We already have a batch of apple butter going in the crock pot. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I highly suggest you guys do it. Here we have a combination of different apples. Mostly we have Red Delicious, a couple other varieties in here as well. We have 10.5 pounds total, peeled and cored. All we're going to do, guys, is we're going to put this in a pot, a little bit of water, and we're going to let this cook down for a little bit. Guys, it is super simple. Once this is done, I'll show you guys how we can this. Already started loading up the pot. Just get your apples in there. Now, we don't add sugar to our applesauce here on the homestead. If you wanted to, you would add the apples or the sugar at the end when the apples have already cooked down some. Just get your apples in the pot. You're going to turn this on a medium heat, and you're going to cook this down for several hours until it gets nice and thick. You're going to cook a lot of liquid out of this, guys. That's why we're going to put 1.5 cups of water in here. That's going to help make sure nothing sticks or scorches to the bottom. And we're just going to come by here and we're going to stir this a couple times an hour just to make sure nothing is sticking on the bottom. And if you guys don't have an apple peeler core, I highly suggest you get one. It makes jobs like this so much easier. We're going to add 1.5 cups of water. Turn on the medium-high heat. And we're going to let this cook down for a couple hours, guys. I'll bring you back when we're a little bit closer. Okay, guys, so we've cooked down our apples. We've got a nice thick consistency if you want to come in here and take a look at this. They're nice and thick. We got rid of most of the liquid out of here. Now we're going to take our stick blender and we're going to blend these up. Okay, so we blended it up with the stick blender. We got a nice applesauce consistency. This is nice and thick. We're going to go ahead and start filling up our jars. We're looking for a 1/2 inch headspace. And we're going to process these in a water bath canner for 20 minutes. And then we'll allow them cool. Now, if you were going to add sugar, you could do that if you like. We like our applesauce naturally sweetened. We don't like to add any extra sugar to it. So now we're going to look for 1/2 inch headspace. Close right there. We're going to wipe off our rim. Put on a new lid. Ring. We're just going to do it finger tight, and this is going to go right into our water bath canner. Alright guys, so we have all of our quarts packed up with a new lid and ring. We're going to put them inside of our water bath canner. These are going to go for 20 minutes. Top it off with a little bit of hot water. Bring the water level up over top of the lids. And as soon as that comes to a boil, we're going to set our timer for 20 minutes. Alright guys, so 20 minutes has passed. We took our jars out of the water bath canner. Brought them in the house. We're going to let them cool off. We will let these sit here for 24 hours. We'll check the lids in the morning. They look like most of them have already sealed, so that is a good sign. Okay guys, so it is really that simple to make your own preservative-free, no sugar added, homemade applesauce right at your house. Guys, it doesn't get any simpler than this. Chop up the apples, get them peeled and cored, cook them down for a couple of hours. If you wanted to, you can add a little bit of sugar to it if you like it. We like ours natural. So, if you guys have any questions or comments about canning applesauce or apples in general, or how to process them, give us a holler down below or contact us over on Nutty Gnome Homestead on Facebook. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please let us know. We'd be happy to help any way we can. And as always, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Until next time, get out there and make your applesauce.